Hi everyone, my name's Nick. This is 45 Degrees Sailing. Welcome back to the channel. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you don't, all good. Now, this week we are currently standing in front of the beautiful Dubrovnik, and we have been invited to the cross-border co-working conference in Budva in Montenegro. So we're on our way down there now. We're looking forward to this. This is a two-day event with a bunch of speakers from all around the Balkans, some from the States, some from Australia. Also our very own DNA, we've got speakers Tanja Polugovic and Jan de Jong. So we've decided to drive down ourselves. The other guys are leaving Zadar Dugopolje area now, and we will be in Montenegro in a couple of hours ahead of everyone to have a hunt around and see what's going on. So amazing drive down, really enjoyed it, stunning weather today and really calm across the whole Bay of Tivat in this Kotor area. We didn't take the ferry across today because you get a small ferry just across the gap in and around the Bay of Kotor or something like that. But instead we cruised around exploring a few caves, stopping for a coffee and a gin. Kotor it's a really beautiful old town, and there's the Kotor Stari Grad, or the Kotor Old City. The organisers of the conference have actually put on a complimentary guided tour for all the participants that are coming down on the bus for this conference. So really cool. I think they'll be here soon and they'll do it, but we're a bit ahead of time. So we've enjoyed our walk around Kotor, and we will now be heading off to get to I'm saying Le Meridian, but that's not it, to the Mediterranean Hotel Conference Centre where we're going to check this out. So let's head over there now. All right, so we've just checked into the Mediterranean Hotel and Resort. It's lovely, we've got a nice view out here and we can see the sea just around that corner. It's time now for a shower and a shave, and then we're gonna head downstairs. There's a cocktail meet and greet evening where we're gonna meet everyone, see some of the people we already know, and hopefully a whole bunch of new faces. So really cool out there, lovely spread, food, drinks, everything like that, music, but it's way too dark and way too loud to bother with the camera, so this is going up and I'm going to go down and have a good time.